Hello everyone, this is Qunmao, and this video let me show you how to use our interactive panel. This is our own whiteboard app and you can open it. For now you can write. It's very smoothly. If you are a teacher, you want to draw some graphics, you can click here. And there are so many graphics. You can choose one and the others. If you need to search some pictures on the internet, you can click here. And here is the Google. You can find some pictures you like and press long. It will be right here. And for now, you can draw it, such as like the red one. If you want to save this page, you can click here, and here is a QR code. And then we use our app to scan it. Now it's all the pages.